Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a health sprite and a player sprite, and making a numeric variable called health set to 100. Once done, place the HUD where it won't block gameplay. Top left works well. Next, decide whether to animate the bar using multiple costumes or to resize a single rectangle. Both are simple. Make 3 costumes for full, half, and empty, or design a single wide rectangle that you will scale. This choice affects later scripts, so pick now and move forward. You now connect damage events to the health variable and the visual bar. When the player is hit, change health by -10 or your chosen value, and broadcast a health changed message. If you chose resizing, set the meter sprite's width proportional to health divided by its max. If you chose costumes, use if else ranges to switch costumes. Make the visual update smooth by stepping size in small increments each frame, and include clamps so health never goes below 0 or above the maximum. Finish by adding game logic for 0 and healing. If health is less than or equal to 0, broadcast a dead message, stop player controls, and play an animation. For pickups, change health positively and clamp at the maximum so it never exceeds the cap. Make sure HUD hides during menus. If the bar jumps or clips, check the variable scope, health must be global, and ensure you clamp values and update visuals after changing health. That single check usually fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.